her hair for me previously, which is perfect for a waterfall braid because if you curl it after, you could pull the braid out. So I would definitely curl before. So find out where they part and then you can start the braid. I would start in the front, pin it, start in the front, pin it, and then you can connect it afterwards. Okay? I'm gonna put cream whip. Start with a little first because once you put too much, it's too late. So if you need more, add it as you go. So Amber said I can part wherever, so I just chose to part right here. I kind of take a diagonal forward section, starting here. And then if you started off kind of like a French braid with 3. And then you fold them all over once. You're gonna grab a little piece from the top. You're gonna drop the bottom and grab a little piece from the bottom. The top piece that you grab, you're gonna connect it with the other hair. This bottom one is gonna be single because you're dropping that. Then you're gonna go over again. Grab another top piece, combine it with that one, drop this, and grab another one. Gonna go over, grab a top piece, connect it with that one. You don't have to worry about it looking super fancy. See, I accidentally connected that one instead of dropping it. So then I'll just drop it. Okay. I'm gonna go over. Doesn't have to look perfect right away because when you're done and you drop it, you can pull all of these little ones and you can mess with it to make it more even. And that's the beginnings of one side of a waterfall braid. And then this one, I'm just going to pin it in place until I need it, and I'll connect it with this side. Triangular section. I'm going to swoop this one a little more. This one is coming a little straight back more than I would want it to, and I only noticed now. So I'll probably do this one over. This one I'm going to bring it more rounded. Every time you switch sides, it's going to get a little bit harder because it's just something different. People mess up with the waterfall braid because they only grab from the bottom and not the top, which makes it way too loose. And then you can just pin this in place. I'm gonna go in and redo this one because I don't like it that much.
So Christina, why do they round or why do they kind of drop that braid or
Drop the
make it a
bottom
little
one?
bit lower? Yeah.
Why did I drop it?
Yeah.
Just because with the waterfall braid, you want it to look really like natural and whimsical and elegant and just wavy. And if it's too tight and too straight, it doesn't look easy and natural.
Does it connect easier too from the other side?
Yes, and it'll connect easier and look more blended too. And then right here, you can kind of just play with how you want to do it. You can tie your rubber band here like this, and then flip it over and pull it down, and there will be no pins. You can pin it, you can braid it all the way down, and then tie a rubber band at the end. Kind of whatever you want to do, really. Super spray, especially if you're doing an updo for like a prom or something and you want it to stay all night, it'll keep it nice and still. Or if there's any piece that you don't like, you can spray this on so it'll stay. And this is the finished look to the waterfall braid.